In this video, I am going to show you how to upload HTML website to Hostinger. So we are going to upload our HTML website to Hostinger live. I have a website on my computer and we will upload that HTML website to our Hostinger hosting. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our HTML website and today we are going to upload this website to Hostinger. So to upload this website to Hostinger, at first we need to log into our Hostinger HPanel. So this is the HPanel of our Hostinger account. Now we are going to scroll down from here and here we will see a web hosting section and under it we will see our web hosting plan. Next to it we will see a manage button. So we are going to click on this manage button. So right now we are in the dashboard of our web hosting. So at first we are going to select the domain name on which we are going to upload our HTML website. So from the website name we are going to select our domain name. So as you can see that our domain is now selected on which we are going to upload our HTML website. So once our domain is selected, we are going to click on File Manager from here. File Manager is the folder which contain all your website files. Now from here click on public_HTML and here you will see all the websites and folders. So if you have a new domain and web hosting, then your public HTML folder will be empty. But in my case, as you can see that I have already created few websites on my domain. So that's why there are files and folders in my public HTML folder. So now to upload our HTML website, from the top menu we are going to click on this upload button. So as you can see that we have two options, file and folder. So now we will go back to our website folder. So this is our website folder. So we are going to select all the files and folders from here. Right click on these files. After that we are going to hover over WinRAR and then click on add to archive. So we are going to select zip from here and then click on OK. So as you can see that we have successfully created a single zip file for all the files and folders. So now we will go back to our Hostinger file manager. You can upload it directly from here, but I will create a new folder for this HTML website. So I am going to click on new folder from here and give it a name and then click on create. And as you can see that our folder is now created. Now again I am going to click on upload, then click on file from here. So this is our website zip file that we have just created. So I am going to select it and then click on open from here. And as you can see that our file is now uploaded to the Hostinger file manager. It may take some time depending on your website size. So once your zip file is uploaded, just right click on it and then click on extract. So now we need to select the folder where we want to extract this zip file. We are going to double click this folder icon from here and then select our folder which is HTML website. After that we need to enter the folder name here and then click on extract. And as you can see that our zip file is now extracted to our folder. So now we are going to open this HTML website folder. After that we will select all the files. So we are going to select this first file and then press shift from our computer and then select the last file. So as you can see that all the files are now selected. Now we are going to move these files to the main HTML folder. So we are going to right click on these files and then click on move file. So we are going to double click on this folder icon. So as you can see that our main HTML folder is now selected. So we are going to click on move from here. So as you can see that our HTML files are now in the main folder that we have created for our website, public_HTML and then HTML website folder. So as you can see that our HTML website is now successfully uploaded to the Hostinger HPanel. So now we are going to do some settings for our HTML website. So we are going to edit the index.html file of our website. So we are going to select it, right click on it and then click on edit. After that we are going to scroll down to the navigational menu. So here it is. Now let's fix the navigational link for our about us page. So here you can see that the link is about.html. So we are going to remove it from here. So now we are going to enter our domain name here. And then we are going to put slash, and then we need to add the name of our about us page, which is about.html. And we need to do the same for these other pages as well, for the services, why us and team. So in this way, these pages will also start working. And if you have a dynamic website and you want to connect your website with that database, then you can easily create a new database and connect your website. To create a database in Hostinger, go to Hostinger dashboard, and then from the left menu, here you will see an option for the databases. Just select it and then click on management from here. Now here you will see all the databases that you have created before. Now to create a new database, we need to add our database name, and then we need to add a username for our MySQL database and then password. And after that we are going to click on create, and in this way our database will be created. So after creating the database, you can go to your website files and you can edit the file on which you have added the database configuration, and then you can change the database configuration with the new database that you have just created. So this is how you can upload HTML website to Hostinger. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.